but also trying to be as accurate with my hammer blows as possible. I basically just wanted to bring down the thickness of the sheets, or whatever you call the size of the eye. I don't even know the black side, I have no idea what they're called. I wanted to make it thinner, but I want to keep it flat because this axe is going to have a ground finish, and that particular surface is going to be flat. So it's very important that my hammer blows are accurate and I'm not tilting the hammer either way so that I put in dents in the face. I want to be as flat as possible. Yeah, so I did that to that one side of the drip. Remember, you put a drip in from one side and you work that one side only and half of that face. Put the drip in from the other side and work the other half of the face. That creates an hourglass shape. That's what keeps our axes tight on the handle. It's very important. Yep, that's why store-bought axes suck, because they are made where a press or a hammer punches all the way through the eye and it's forged all in one heat, and that eye is completely flat on the inside, or it's the opposite of an hourglass. We want an hourglass like this, right? These axes in the store have about like that. Usually I've hung a whole bunch of them. You can't get a good hang on them. I can get them to stay tight, but obviously the stores can't because they fall through. So that's what we want. This is a good example. You can see the handle going into the hammer is going like this, and then on the way out right here it's going like that. That's because hammer eyes, especially, are very hourglass, so they stay tight for a very long time. This one gets a lot of abuse, so I have had to endeavor to keep it tight, but this one's holding true. So yeah, you want hourglass eyes, no flat eyes. Flat axes suck. Alright, so we got it all forged and stamped and everything, ready to go. A lot of grinding to do. As you can see, we've already established the flat surface that's typical on racing axes, and then I have basically forged in a flat surface right here with the hammer and started bringing in the bevels. So basically just a pre-form of how I'm going to grind it is what I forge in, and then it just makes grinding a whole lot easier. I'll square up the pool and clean everything up and make it look really nice. So yeah, great axe from a great customer. And this concludes today's video. If you are interested in buying an axe, I do sales every week on Fridays on the website conradblacksmith.com. And if you want to get an axe, go there. Also, if you want to see what's going for sale beforehand, go to my Facebook group, Conrad Blacksmithing. I post everything there with prices and the time it's going to be listed. So, you guys have a great day and have a great rest of your week. That's it for Conrad Blacksmithing. Remember, be a man.